Hello, welcome to Dong Hoi. We've been here a few nights. We're working way down the coast of Vietnam. We're staying here actually because it's quite close to a huge national park called Phong Nha National Park. But before we touch on the national park, just thought I would tell you a little bit about this place really, because we've been exploring a little bit. First of all, we've ate like kings, haven't we?
Yeah, there's really nice restaurants and coffee shops around here. We've fallen in love with the iced coffee.
Oh.
Can't get enough of it.
I'm back on coffee, it's not good. Thanks, Laura. We discovered a beach the other day. Beautiful beach actually, big
really
sandy
nice
beach.
And it's quite cold at the moment, so we were the only ones there, which is
yeah.
But imagine when it gets warmer, it'd be really nice to sit on, because it's just like proper, really nice sand.
Yeah. So we've walked down the streets, and to be fair, like they're really trying to make this place look quite nice, aren't they? Like, obviously it's been New Year here, and they've got loads of lights everywhere, and everyone's pruning flowers and whatnot. It's quite pretty. But at the same time, you can see there's some areas where it's a little bit dirty and whatnot. But I think that's normal, isn't it? City life.
But they are trying to develop it.
Yeah, I reckon in a few years' time, this place is going to be booming. But hold me to that if you like. So let's get straight to the nitty-gritty.
To the main attraction.
Yeah, Phong Nha National Park. I really hope I'm saying that right.
Yeah.
But where do we start?
So we went on an excursion with Jungle Bus. We did Elephant Cave and Mada Valley.
Yeah.
And
so that's one of their tours. We found them on TripAdvisor, read a few reviews, sounded really good, sounded a little bit different, like off the beaten track kind of thing. It wasn't like going to the main caves or anything, which we thought we might see on another day. So yeah, we booked on with Jungle Boss.
Yeah, moderate walk.
Moderate trekking. Yeah, it was for us, we found it quite difficult. Like it was quite a few hours of trekking through thick jungle.
But we did.
But we loved it.
Yeah, we loved it.
It was so good. Like, I wouldn't change a thing. Phil was one of the guides.
I was falling over as much. I was probably.
Yeah, Laura fell over a lot of times.
I was walking on stilts. I just couldn't keep my balance.
But no, I just wanted to mention Phil. Really, I had to shout out to Phil because he was brilliant throughout the day. Stuck with us as we were at the back. But really nice chap. So yeah, highly recommend Jungle Boss.
Yeah, so it's like a newly found caves that we went to. So we were probably like the first of 2,000 people that have been there. So we went to, the first one was Elephant Cave.
Massive, like huge. Well, biggest cave we've been in anyway.
Yeah, in Elephant Cave we went from the entrance all the way down deep into the darkness. We put our head torches on, and
yeah, it was really good, wasn't it? One of the guides, she was really helpful getting us over some of the rocks because we're such novices at this kind of stuff. But once we got down there, everyone was huddling around listening to her talk about one of the rock formations, and I spotted some bats over the other side, so I went off looking for these bats. But luckily she took us in the area where the bats were, and we turned off our head torches, and they were like flying around our
and
heads.
And those bats were huge.
Yeah, they were pretty big, weren't they? That was a really cool experience.
Yeah.
So glad we did that. So we left Elephant Cave, and we had to hike back down onto the main road running through the heart of the national park. And as we were walking along to get onto our next hike, we spotted some monkeys, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Like, they were quite far away, like they weren't right next to us or anything. But I tried to fly the drone up to them. I'm not sure if I got the footage or not, but we'll find out.
So then we went back into the jungle, off on the trek again, wading through rivers up to about my waist. And then we went up to a lake after about an hour and a half, I might add.
Yeah, full on hour and a half of trekking, but it was class, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really good experience.
But then we got to a lake and we had lunch there, and we made our own spring rolls. And that was really something special.
Wasn't it? It was a bit unique. We're considering jumping in the lake, But Phil, one of the guides, he was the only one who did it, and he jumped in. What a legend!
Yeah.
So that was the lake. And then straight after the lake, we had to then climb up this tree and head off then to more hiking. Like, it just did not stop, did it? Like,
Yeah.
it was brilliant. Really, really good.
So the final hurdle of the trek was swimming in
Trang Cave. I think that's right. So this one was really unique, wasn't it? Because Jungle Boss have exclusive rights to it, don't they?
Yeah. But the entrance to it was just like full of all these rocks.
Boulders,
so you had to clamber inside, but it was an experience.
Yeah. When you get in that water. I mean, it was cold, wasn't it?
It was freezing, but it was so refreshing. Like it was so nice, and it was dark in the cave.
Really dark. Basically, you can swim 600 metres in at the moment, whilst it's high tide. Apparently in the summer you can swim right through to the other end. It's quite a deep cave, but 600 metres is plenty, trust me.
Yeah.
Like, it was pitch black, you couldn't see a thing. Luckily we had hedge torches, so it was just really good fun, weren't it?
Yeah,
it was really different.
And it made the whole trek worth it. Like, swimming in that cave was just immense.
Yeah, really special.
Yeah.
So that was kind of our full-on day in the national park. We were thinking about going back, weren't we? But because we were so tired.
We were so sore the next day.
Yeah.
But,
so we've just hung around here, haven't we?
Yeah.
To finish off our trip here.
Yeah, so that pretty much sums it up.
Yeah.
So you have to stay tuned for our next travel.
Next stop, which is
Da Nang and Hoi An.
And Hoi An.
So
no idea what to expect there, but
you have to subscribe to check us out.
Yeah, I look forward to sharing some content with you. But we'll leave you with Dong Hoi and Phong Nha National Park.
Okay.
Cheers.
Bye.
See you later.